Hello everybody, I have a fun card making video for you today. I'm going to be using products from this Crafty stamp company. These are elements from their brand new Crafty Crew kit. I have not received all of the elements that are included in their new monthly kit. So as soon as I receive them all, I will do an unboxing video for you. This is a new to me company. They've just launched, starting in January, these new kits. And I just love all of their style, both in their papers and their stamps. They're so cute. So I'm just using the pattern papers and the stamp sets for my cards today. There are 2 stamp sets included in the kit, which is awesome, and they are both beautiful and different. So you're not getting 2 kind of similar stamp sets. They're both very different. You saw at the beginning of the video when I showed you the 2 images that I'm going to be using for my first card. Those images are from one of the stamp sets included in the kit. I also grabbed some pink cardstock from my stash, and we're going to use that to add a little bit of pop of pink to this layout, or this card. I will probably say layout 100 times, but we're making cards. I'm going to ink up the edges of both of these panels. The pink cardstock is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. The pattern paper is 4 by 5 1/4. And I'm just giving them a lovely kind of sepia edge. The papers included in the January kit are very vintagey. You can see this gorgeous one with all of the beautiful script on it. I love it. My little shabby chic vintage loving heart loves all the paper in the 6x6 paper pad that's included in the kit. It's absolutely stunning. So I have this kind of craft light beige colored cardstock. I cut a 1-inch strip and then tore the top edge, and that's going to add a place for my images to sit, like a little shelf, so it doesn't look like they're floating off into space. So I'm going to put that down across the bottom of my card front. Next, I'm going to take this little scrap of paper. So this is the same pattern that I used for the background of my card, I think, or it's one of the other ones. I'm not sure. Some of the papers they're different, but they have that similar look, especially when you cut them down. Like I cut this one down to less than 1 inch and then tore it. So this might be a different pattern from the paper pack. In fact, I'm pretty sure it is. And then I'm going to go ahead and layer it on top of that craft cardstock just to add a little more interest to my little shelf or little area where I'm going to add my stamped images. So here are these 2 images all stamped and colored. I just have to decide how I want them to be. Do I want to kind of face them out? Do I want to face them towards each other? While I fiddle with this, look how cute they are. Oh my gosh. So I colored these with my Zig clean color markers. And then I went ahead and added some white gel pen highlights to both these images. And this cute little sentiment is also part of the stamp set. It says, "You are the person I want to annoy for the rest of my life," which I thought was so cute and also incredibly perfect for my husband. We just celebrated our 26th wedding anniversary, and so this is his anniversary card. I decided I wanted a little something beside my cute little couple, so I die cut one of these kind of primitive type hearts, and I'm going to put it between them. I am actually going to use this set of primitive hearts. They're from Spellbinders. It's a really, really old die. I probably bought them, clear back in like 2017. So they probably aren't available, but I'm going to use them on both of my card projects today. They're probably my favorite heart die because they're so nice. They're like the perfect long skinny heart. So I'm going to go ahead and put the heart in between my couple. I'm going to add the stamped sentiment across the bottom, and then I'm going to go ahead and grab some foam tape because I decided I want to pop up my little couple. And then one of the stamps on this stamp set are these little hearts. And so I stamped 3 of them and then colored them to make them kind of like a brown or craft color, and then coated them with some glossy accents to create 3 little embellishments that I'm going to go ahead and scatter on my card as well. And then once I have them in place, that will finish my first card that I'm going to share with you today. Now the second card I'm going to share with you uses stamped images from the second stamp set that's part of the kit. So I went ahead and colored all of those up, again adding just a little bit of white gel pen accents. I'm going to use a top folding card and that same heart die set for my second card as well, and the same vintage photo distress oxide ink. While I put this card together, let me tell you a little bit about this kit. If you would like to order the kit, you need to order before December 15th. I will have links to where you can order the kit in the description box below. I will also leave a link to the Crafty Stamp Company. Their shop is so cute. They have lots of fun stamped images. I love their styles and designs. And then I will also leave a link to their Instagram in case you want to follow them. Keep an eye on what those kits look like. This video, I believe, is going to go up the evening of Black Friday, and I do know that they are having some sales. So be sure to, if you're interested, if you like these stamped images and you want to see more of their products, be sure to head over to their website and take a peek. So I have these little birds. They're so cute. And then this little love. I'm going to use this card as another anniversary card. I'm just going to stamp happy anniversary on the inside. I'm going to kind of just wiggle around all these cute little elements. So there are some little flowers. Again, these are all colored with Zig Clean color markers, and then accented with white gel pen or some glossy accents. I'm going to move these around, decide where I want them. This card's going to be pretty easy. I mean, both of these cards are in style, are very easy to kind of recreate even if you just wanted to do that with, what you have at home in your stash. So I'm just going to add all these little elements to the heart, and then I'm going to pop the heart up using foam tape. I'm going to pop that heart up onto this other panel. This has all these really cute little red hearts. I don't know if you can tell, but the pattern paper I'm using that I die cut the heart from is like tone-on-tone hearts. The last little finishing touch, I'm adding these cute little black Nuvo drops to the card. I felt like it needed just a little bit of a bigger pop of black, and now I can place it on my card base, and this one is done. Here's a look at both of the cards I created for the Crafty Stamp Company. I hope you enjoy them, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!